This is condensed pump house, excluding separator. We know that this is separator, where separation of coke oven gas and flushing liquor takes place. Coke oven gas will be sent to gas collecting plant, and the flushing liquor will be sent to condensed pump house. The flushing liquor from separator is fed to decanter at the middle. The tar and naphthalene liquid from the seal pots of gas collecting plant is also fed to decanter at the middle. Decanters are used to settle the flushing liquor by gravity. In the decanters, due to density difference, flushing liquor, tar and sludge form as three layers, top, middle and bottom respectively. Sludge is removed by scraper mechanism provided at the bottom of the decanter. A telescopic valve provided to the decanter removes the tar settled in the middle layer and sent to intermediate tar tank. The flushing liquor settled in the top layer is sent to flushing liquor tank. The tar from the intermediate tank is fed to tar decanter to remove flushing liquor furtherly. In the decanters, due to density difference, flushing liquor and tar form as two layers, top and bottom respectively. The tar settled in the bottom layer is sent to tar tank. The flushing liquor settled in the top layer is sent to flushing liquor tank. The tar from the tar tank is sent to final gas cooler. The flushing liquor from the flushing liquor tank is sent to batteries again to cool the coke oven gas and collected in the separator. And this is how it keeps recycling. The excess or overflown flushing liquor is sent to ammonia columns, which are situated in the ammonium sulfate plant. This is the process done at condensate pump house. In the next video we will discuss the ammonium sulfate plant.